Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, as you know that we have been trying our best to share amazing and stylish trendy ideas with you on daily basis. So this video is in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have been sharing a very beautiful stylized patterns of hand embroidery designs. Different stylized neckline patterns ranging from heavy floral side motif style neckline embroidery to borderline embroidery style patterns of neckline along with the fancy heavy floral embroidery border type designing for necklines have been shared. So different stylized patterns of embroidery are here onto your screens, and this collection aims on simple, decent, elegant, ranging towards medium to some sort of elegant stylized patterns of hand embroidery. So I would recommend you to use the exact color combination of threads along with the exact color combination of fabric base to get the results closer to the reality or the ones which you are seeing onto your screens right now. Guys, the fabric base could be any as per the weather conditions and in the geographical location of the world, different country you can use. These embroidery patterns are simple, easy, lightweight, breathable, and comfortable, and at the same time, they are equally favorable for machine embroidery designs also. I hope that all of the design patterns are being watched by you, and you can select the best or favorite design of your own. So, for watching more and creative design ideas, stay tuned and stay connected for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from number of other devices as well because subscribers are very important. And with your love and support, we will continue to grow. Thank you so much for watching.